National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point in Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Eastern Bay until 9:45 p.m. At 8:07 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fort Smallwood State Park to 8 nautical miles west of Mayo to 10 nautical miles east of National Harbor, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Mangafe River, Chester River, Eastern Bay, Greenberry Point, Highland Beach, Sandy Point State Park, Severn River, Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Parsons Island, Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Love Point, Naval Academy, Baltimore Light, Roanoke, Chesapeake Bay Bridge, and Mattapique. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Now for the official National Weather